Is your transmission banging into gears so hard it feels like you just got rear-ended at a stoplight? That terrifying jolt is often caused by the trouble code P2830, which points directly to a high-voltage condition in the pressure control solenoid K control circuit. This is a common headache for owners of Ford, Chevrolet, Honda, and Nissan vehicles with automatic transmissions. Think of your transmission like a hydraulic brain where fluid pressure is everything. Inside that brain there are several solenoids lettered from I all the way through the alphabet, and solenoid K is responsible for directing fluid to the right clutches at the exact right millisecond. When your powertrain control module sees a high voltage signal, it means the circuit is not operating within the safe zone and it cannot control that pressure. You are going to feel the transmission slipping between gears, or it might just stay in one gear because the computer put it into limp mode to prevent total destruction. Your fuel economy will tank and the engine might even feel like it is misfiring when it is actually just a transmission struggle. The most common cause is honestly just dirty or contaminated transmission fluid that has clogged up the solenoid or the internal filter. Sometimes the solenoid itself has just given up the ghost, or you have a frayed wire rubbing against the frame. Before you panic and think you need a whole new transmission, check your fluid level and see if it looks burnt or dark. If the fluid is clean, then you need to do a continuity check on the wiring using a digital multimeter to see if there is a short to power. Since this involves getting under the car and potentially dropping the transmission pan, it is usually best to head to a shop if you do not have a lift and the right tools. Fix it now, because a $100 solenoid is much cheaper than a $5,000 transmission rebuild.